Welcome to this demonstration of the Know Your Customer 360 application, a financial services solution based on Microsoft Dynamics CRM 2013. The financial services industry has undergone significant changes in recent years. Financial services organizations now have to work smarter to meet stricter compliance requirements and satisfy the needs of more sophisticated customers with relevant products and services. The Microsoft Dynamics CRM Know Your Customer 360 solution provides a rich experience across all devices that helps financial services organizations streamline business processes, reduce manual work, and stay on top of account planning for their customers. In this demonstration, you'll follow along with Fred Connors, a relationship manager at Contoso, an institutional asset management firm. You'll see how he uses Know Your Customer 360 workflows to onboard a potential client, close a deal, and create an account plan to grow his client's investments. Fred starts his day by reviewing his bank's sales activity. From the open dashboard, he navigates to the Account Plan Overview dashboard. Here, he can see the number of clients in the plan pipeline, the status of open account plans, as well as the target share and target amounts by product for his portfolio of clients. He can filter the view to see how many clients in his portfolio are currently in the onboarding stage. He can also see how many onboardings are completed per month and where active onboardings sit within the respective teams. If he sees a bottleneck, in compliance for example, which shows 10 clients not yet onboarded, he can contact that team to help resolve any outstanding issues. Next, he navigates to his Active Accounts page. From here, Fred can manage the active accounts for clients interested in one or more investment funds. He starts by opening the first client on his list, A Datum Corporation. At the top of the client's record, he sees where A Datum is in the sales lifecycle. Basic information has already been captured in the system. Fred can now complete the KYC, or Know Your Customer stage of the workflow, to move this opportunity forward. Based on a previous conversation with the client, Fred has identified the account category as Standard and marks this client as a potential investor. Now he can move to the next stage. Before he can advance, however, Microsoft Dynamics CRM presents him with several customer-related opportunities to choose from. Fred chooses the one he's currently working on, the Absolute Return Fund. This opens the Deal Record, which requests information required for regulation and internal compliance, such as the level of deal confidentiality. It also asks if there is a potential conflict, perhaps with another investor or with the amount we're trying to invest. In this case, there is a known conflict. Contoso has business rules requiring the conflict to be cleared before the workflow can proceed. Fortunately, Fred has already resolved the issue and can clear the conflict here. He has also identified the deal territory and the estimated revenue. Now he can move to the next stage. This is the Active Work in Progress step. This page holds information about the stakeholders and the deal team, including their link presence indicators. As a member of the deal team, he clicks to indicate yes, a team is assembled. Fred can see that much of this workflow is not yet completed, so he decides to review the different stages in the opportunity and see if he can supply the information required to close this deal. Fred sees that he can't close and complete the opportunity because he hasn't completed the onboarding process yet. If he tries to move to the next step, he's prompted to select the onboarding process. When he does, the operations page pulls information from the deal, such as the bond fund. Fred has received an email from the operations team saying they've completed their process, such as the AML checks, and they received the information they need from the client. Now he can continue. Similarly, the legal team has completed all its document checks. Fred can see that the credit and compliance teams have also completed their items. Fred cannot advance the workflow without entering the risk classification for this account and indicating whether to create an account plan. The email from the operations team provided this information, so he can update the stage. He moves on to the next stage. He can see that an account plan has been automatically created by the system. He simply selects the plan he would like to use and then continues to the next step. The plan shows that the deal is closed and the funds have been invested. Right from here, Fred can look at the client's strategy description and commentary from the executive team, fund managers, and wider coverage team, as well as investment charts to determine how his organization can best operate with this particular client. In this demonstration, you saw how a relationship manager at an institutional asset management firm uses Know Your Customer 360 workflows to onboard a potential client, close a deal, and create an account plan to help grow a client's investments. Thanks for watching. For more information, please contact your Microsoft representative.